if you want to make a move with Selfie's AI, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Let's say that you want to make a photo move using Selfie's AI. You want to bring images to life. Here's how you can do it. Make sure that you download the app. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version if you haven't already. Next, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the image and video and upload your photo. And then write down the prompt. What do you want? What do you want the Selfies AI, or what do you want the AI to do with your photo, right? If you want walk in the park, or walking in the desert, or doing something activity, or having fun, you can just go ahead and do it, and you're gonna click continue. You're gonna wait for at least 15 minutes until you generate that video, and you're gonna be able to see videos similar to this. I've already downloaded my video. You can just go ahead and click right here your photos, and you're gonna be able to see the final results of your video. All right, and I didn't find it right here. Must deleted it. So you can see right here I added right the younger version of me, which you can do, or you can go ahead right here to the video. As you can see, now they made that video for me because I wanted to walk in the desert basically, and I can edit my photo by going right here to the app and then click face edit and add my face. Unfortunately, I can't go inside because it will block my screen. It will turn it into black, so I cannot do that. But you can click the face edit and then change the age, gender, or filter, add some kind of filter, and then basically you're gonna be able to save it to your photos. So after you generate, you can save the photo or share it across social media once you're satisfied, right? So by following these steps, you will turn your static photo into dynamic, lifelike images, adding a fun touch to your content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.